Get yourself a Solana NFT today. In today's video, we are bringing you 3 insane NFT collections that you need to look out for. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _ABCrypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. Before we dig into today's topic, we realize that there's a lot of love for the Solana cryptocurrency. Now that gets us to the question, why does Solana matter? Well, first of all, Sol is the 6th biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, and people have been absolutely loving it for not being as costly as Ethereum's gas prices. And for that reason, Solana is growing to become an increasingly appealing option. That is why we are bringing you these Solana NFT projects that we think can turn you into a lucrative crypto trader and jumpstart your journey to wealth. Even celebrities have begun to show their interest in Solana NFTs. For example, Steve Harvey, who changed his Twitter profile picture to a Solana monkey business NFT. Well, here we go. The first NFT, which holds spot number 3, is the Degenerate Ape Academy. It consists of 10,000 Degenerate Ape NFTs, and this NFT is quickly gaining popularity just like its close relative, the Bored Ape Yacht Club. The 13th rarest Degenerate Ape was just sold for $1.1 million, with the buyer being a London-based blockchain advisory firm. They announced via Twitter that they were paying for the NFT with 5,980 of Solana's Sol tokens. Other Degenerate Apes in the collection have sale prices of up to $1.7 million, and owning one Degenerate Ape grants you access to the highest possible entry into both the Degeniverse and Degen DAO, which is the largest Solana NFT DAO. Just another reason why we love this collection. Our next NFT, which holds our number 2 spot, is Dgotz. It is one of the most highly used PFPs in Solana. Now, the biggest thing about Dgotz is that in the last couple of weeks, we have seen crypto, NFTs, and almost everything diving, and that didn't matter if you were a blue chip or not. But Dgotz has almost tripled in price, with its main utility being Dust Token. Now, when we look at the Dgotz team, you will find that they're doing things a little differently and trying to make sure that they incentivize their spending of the token to be able to get something in return that actually holds sentimental value. So, what are they doing with the Dust Token? Well, they're doing 2 things. One is buying other projects such as CloudZ and then selling them in the future. And 2 is that there will be an initiative to work with Solana marketplaces to allow Dust to be used as a currency. Lastly, spot number 1 goes to Taiyo Robotics. Taiyo Robotics is an NFT game manufactured on the Solana blockchain. The game surrounds robots that were created to protect the world against giant monsters. And so, the reason that we have Taiyo Robotics as our number 1 project is because of the developer Solport Tom. And those who have been using the Solana blockchain for a while know Tom as the number 1 developer in the Solana NFT space. He was already a member of the Taiyo community for a long time, and as the original developer struggled to manage the project, he offered to save the entire collection. Taiyo Robotics also has the same token play, meaning that when you stake down to earn a token, the token goes up. So, per day, you could generate up to $25. And not only that, they have a few different pieces of utility, with the main one being scrap. And you can use scrap for staking, Taiyo customization, infant Taiyo breeding, and in its marketplace with 0 transaction fees. So, what are you guys waiting for? Grab yours today and start earning. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.